Hey, what up everybody, this is TM and today I bring you the Conbrov DC6000 Real Night Vision Dashcam. This is a 1080p dashcam video recorder. It's gonna fit your cars and your needs. Let's take a look at it. Thank you Conbrov for sending me this unit to review. Let's get to it. So this is the link in the description where you will find not only the price but some of the specs. So you can take a look, but it's pretty much a dashboard video recorder for your car, truck or whatever. It records at 1080p and it has real night vision functionality. So you can take a look at some of the pictures. It can record your car 24 hours. It has a loop recording and it deletes the oldest files so that you don't have to always keep erasing or formatting your SD card. And then you have a 170-degree wide angle lens, which is pretty amazing. Now let's take a look at the box itself. So pretty nice and neat, simple box, let's say, with no branding actually. So let's just go ahead and open it up. You get the user manual, a thank you Conbrov card, full 1080p night vision. Okay, so this actually feels pretty good, pretty solid. It comes with a 8GB Kingston micro SD card, which is pretty cool that it is included. USB to mini USB. This is gonna be to charge it up and probably to connect it to your computer. This is the suction cup that you will be using to put it on your windshield. This is what we're gonna use to plug in our dash cam. So we're gonna plug this into the car lighter and then this into the camera, and it will charge up your camera and keep it always charged. Looks pretty cool. And don't forget, 170 wide angle lens, which is pretty dramatic. So I don't want no plastics in the way. He said this one is difficult to take it out. On top, we have an HDMI port to connect it to your TV to show some recordings. Then we've got the micro USB to charge it up and to plug it into your computer. Then let's see, on the side we've got the micro SD card to put in place. Then we've got 3 buttons, up and down, and probably menu. We'll check it out later. Got some more buttons over here to press OK and stuff. And on the bottom, well, actually on the bottom we do have the microphone here. I don't know if you can see it. It says mic, and we also have a reset button. So this SIM ejection tool, as it looks like, is to reset the camera to the default features. Okay, so we are right here in the car, so let's connect this to the cigarette lighter, and as soon as you plug it in, it will light up and start recording. It is recording right now. So I mounted it up right here, right beneath my my mirror, and so it's gonna be right behind. So when I'm looking at the mirror, well, I can only see it this little bit, so it does not cover the angle of view. So this is how it's gonna be. Probably I also thought about putting it right here in the corner. Probably I'll do it. Don't know, I'm gonna try this out. But well, as you can see, you can put it in pretty easily. Just tap the suction cup and that's it. Well, I put it right in the center, so this is how it looks. So removing the mirror here. Okay, so this is how it looks. The angle is pretty crazy, and this is really gonna come in handy when you have those situations, or where you saw an accident, you want to help, or something like someone hits you or something like that. I also thought about putting one of these in the back, which it's also good, so that when stuff happens, you have it record. You can show it to the police or to the court, and you can get away with it because you have evidence. So, well, this is a pretty cool and good thing to have. So, well, that's it, guys. this is gonna be. I'm probably just gonna leave you with a little video of it recording, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. This was TM, and I'm out. The taste is very distinctive, as the nickel and lithium stand out. Although eating smartphones will definitely kill you. If we skip that part, you have to consume 4.5 smartphones per day to have sufficient nutrition.